Hello friends, this is Dr. Aarti Upadhyay, Assistant Professor, Biyani Group of Colleges. Today we are going to discuss the topic indifference curve approach. Indifference curve approach is an ordinal approach, which means we can measure the utility into the order. Before this approach, the Marshall has given the approach to measure the utility that is called cardinal approach. In the cardinal approach, we measure the utility into the number, such as if I am consuming 1 or 2 units of banana, that means from the first commodity, from the first unit of that particular commodity, I am getting 10 or 5 utils of the utility. Means we can measure the utility into the numbers, but Hicks criticized that. Hicks says we can't measure the utility into the cardinal numbers because utility is a psychological approach, so that we can't give them number, but yes, we can give them order only. So to explain his ordinal approach, Hicks take the help of indifference curve. Indifference curve is a curve which shows the various combinations of two commodities which gives the same satisfaction. Hicks says if we consume, suppose for an example, if we are consuming two commodities, that is X commodity and Y commodity, if a person wants to consume both the commodities, first commodity, second commodity, third commodity, fourth and 5 units of X commodity, we can take it apple, and for Y commodity it is 12, 8, 5, 3 and 2, we can take it bananas. So X commodity and Y commodity. As we consume, in the diagram, this is the shape of IC curve. On X axis we take X commodity, on Y axis there is a Y commodity. We can see into the schedule, if we are consuming one commodity, 1 unit of X commodity, we are consuming 12 units of Y commodity, and as we increase the quantity of X, we have to decrease the quantity of Y. Why we have to sacrifice the commodities? Because we have the limited resources. So the indifference curve shows the various combinations of two commodities which gives the same satisfaction, or on indifference curve, and each and every point shows the indifferent nature of the consumer. Consumer will remain indifferent at the point of A, B, C, D or E, or we can say he can take the combination 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Any combination, he will be the indifferent. So this is the indifference curve. Now we are going to discuss the shape of indifference curve. We can see with the diagram that indifference curve is a downward sloping curve in convex to origin. So why it is downward sloping? The reason behind the shape of indifference curve is as we consume more units of a commodity, one, we have to sacrifice the commodities units of that second commodity because we have limited resources. We are increasing the X commodity and here we are decreasing the Y commodity, and the reason behind the shape, this shape and convex to origin, is the rate of sacrifice. We are sacrificing the Y commodity, the rate of this sacrifice is diminishing. Initially, to consume the 1 more unit of X commodity, we are sacrificing 4 units of Y commodity. Again, to increase 1 more unit of X commodity, we are sacrificing 3, accordingly 2 and 1. So as we are consuming more units of X, the sacrifice of Y commodity is diminishing. That's why the shape of IC is convex to origin. Now we will go for the properties of IC. The first property of IC is the MRTS, that is marginal rate of substitution, is diminishes.